Hallo alle zusammen. Heute wir sprechen Deutsch Artikel. Today we will talk about German Artikel. Im Deutsch haben wir vier Fälle. In German we have four cases: nominative, accusative, dative, and genitive. We divided article in four parts. We divide article in four parts: masculine, feminine, neuter, and plural. So first one case is nominative. Nominative masculine article is der, feminine die, neuter das, and plural die. Our second case is accusative. Accusative masculine article is den, feminine article is die, neuter article is das, and plural article is die. Third one case is dative. Dative masculine article is dem, feminine article is der, neuter article is dem, and plural article is den. Genitive. Last one is genitive. Genitive masculine article is des, feminine article is der, neuter article is des, and plural article is der. So I explain again. In German we have four cases: nominative, accusative, dative, and genitive. We divide article in four parts: masculine, feminine, neuter, and plural. So according to nominative we will change all article in all cases. First one is nominative. Masculine article is der, nominative feminine article is die, nominative neuter article is das, and nominative plural article is die. So now we will learn accusative. According to nominative masculine article is there. In accusative will change den. In accusative masculine article will change den. Accusative feminine article will be same like a nominative die. Third one is according to nominative neuter article will be same in a accusative, and fourth one plural article according to nominative will be same in a accusative die. So we will learn now dative case. Dative case according to nominative we will change dative. In nominative masculine article is there, which will be changed in dative dem. Nominative feminine article is die, which will be changed in dative der. Nominative neuter article is das, which will be changed in dative dem. Nominative plural article is die, which will be changed in dative den. And last one is genitive. According to nominative we will change in genitive. Nominative masculine article is der, which will be changed in genitive des. Nominative feminine article is die, which will be changed in genitive der. Nominative neuter article is das, which will be changed in genitive des. Nominative plural article is die, which will be changed in genitive der. So remember that in German article is very important role. That's why we have to learn this chart. It's called bestimmte article. Bestimmte article means definite article. Okay.